Hello kids, Shubha Mangalam. This is Hemalata at Little Scholar High School taking up class 5 science. Lesson 1, human body, the circulatory system. In our previous class we have discussed about all the functions of the heart, the blood, the capillaries. We have seen the circulation of the blood and the different kinds of yogas. Today we shall do little bit of writing part in the textbook, and before we start that, just look at the keywords what we have learnt here. The first keyword is circulatory system. The circulatory system which consists of heart, blood vessels and the blood. Okay. Then heart. Heart is nothing but the muscular structure. It is a four-chambered structure which pumps blood to all of the body. Blood vessels. But blood vessels are the network-like structure through which the blood passes and reaches to all parts of the body. Then we have arteries. Arteries are the blood vessels which carries the blood from the heart to other parts of the body, and veins are the blood vessels which carry the blood from different parts of the body to the heart. And blood is nothing but the red color fluid which passes the nutrients to all parts of the body. Now come to page number 11 in your textbook, children. On page number 11 there is a small exercise. Whom am I? Let me read the question out first. I carry nutrients and oxygen to all parts of your body. It is nothing but the blood. So answer is blood. Please mention it in your textbook. I control your sense organs. It is the nervous system. I break down and support nutrients from the food you eat. Third one, the blood. Next, I give shape to your body. It is the skeletal system. And the last one is I keep you fit and healthy by removing waste from your body. It is excretory system. And this you have to write all the answers in the given place on page number 11. Now next move on to page number 13, revision zone. Here the match the following is given and we need to match with the correct answer. What is heart? Heart is nothing but an organ that pumps blood. So for heart, which is the correct option? Third. For A, third is the correct option. B, veins. What are veins? Veins carry blood to the heart. So option 1. Then C, capillaries unite to form veins. So C1 is 2, children. So 3, 1, 2. These are the answer, and this is the match the following for the particular box. Now come to page number 16 in your textbook. Choose the correct answers. The options are given. We need to select the correct option. First question is, the smallest blood vessels are capillaries. We have learned that arteries are the one which divide into capillaries. Okay, children. Then all these capillaries unite to form the veins. So our capillaries are the thinnest one, but the smallest one we can say. Then next, dash pumps blood. Naturally the answer is heart. Okay, then write heart there. Next, which of these is a type of blood vessels? It is both artery and vein. Both are the blood vessels. Okay, children. The heart is an organ found slightly towards the left side. The heart is the one which is present at the left side in the chest region. Next, a blood vessel that carries blood from the heart to different parts of the body is artery. So artery is the one which carries the blood from the heart to different parts of the body. So the answers are capillaries, heart, both, left and artery. Okay, children. Now next, on the same page we have fill in the blanks. Let me read out the dash are tube-like structures through which blood flows. The answer is blood vessels. So first fill in the blank is blood vessels. Second one, the heart pumps dash to all the organs of the body. It pumps blood. Third one, capillaries reunite to form veins. Capillaries unite to form veins. Next one, the dash carries nutrients inside the body. It is the blood which carry nutrients to the entire body. Tadasana is also called the dash pose. It is a mountain pose. Yesterday In our previous class, we have discussed the different kinds of yogas and their posture. So, mountain. This is done with the fill in the blanks, children. On the same page, we have true or false. Now, that is bit number 3, same page, true or false. Let me read the question. Ureter is a type of blood vessel. No, ureter is nothing related to the circulatory system. Okay, the answer is false. First one, false. The circulatory system transports water to all parts of the body. False. It is the blood which transport nutrients and all to all parts of the body. In circulatory system, we talk about the blood. Okay. The heart has 4 chambers. True. Arteries branch out into thinner blood vessels called veins. It is false. Arteries divide to form capillaries. Capillaries reunite to form the veins. So, the given statement is false. So, next one. Then see children, here a picture is given. You have to name the picture. This is the heart and this is the blue one and the red one are the blood vessels. Let me tell you that blue ones and red ones are to show the differences, that blue ones are the one which carries the impure blood or blood rich in carbon dioxide. Okay children. And we can say that it is an impure blood. Better to say it is the blood which carries carbon dioxide. The blue one represent the blood which is more in carbon dioxide and the red one represents the blood which is rich with oxygen. That is the difference between the blue and red lines. Okay children, this is just for our understanding. It is given so in our textbook. Blue rich in, the blood rich in carbon dioxide. Red ones are the one, the blood rich in oxygen. Okay, so just mark in the given box provided there, write heart and blood vessels. Okay children. Then project is there in on page number 17 children. On page number 17 project is there. That is 8th one you see. Who's who of the medical world. Find out who these people and what people are and what do they do. First one is cardiologist. Cardiologist is a person or a professional doctor related to the heart. Okay, right heart there. Then pulmonologist. Pulmonologist is the professional doctor who is related to all the problems or diseases related to lungs. Then urologist. Urologist is again the professional doctor who is related with the urinary bladder or urethra. Okay, you just write urinary bladder or urethra. Then dermatologist. Dermatologist is a professional doctor who is specialized in problems related with skin. So write a skin there. Okay, done children. Now life skills on page number 17, 9th bit. Bit number 9, life skills, page number 17. Here we need to put the healthy one as a tick marks and which are not good for the health as a cross one. So A is eat lots of junk food. Should we eat lot of junk food children? No, it is wrong. So put a cross mark there. Then B1, walk or exercise every day. Yes, put a tick mark there. Then third one, eat too many sweets. We should not eat too many sweets. So put a cross mark there. Then drink lots of water. True. Yes. Then ride your bicycle. Yes. Put a tick mark there. Again eat a balanced diet. Put a tick mark there. So this is what we have to do with our textbook. We have done almost all the exercises which are given in the textbook. Now what you have to do is, homework is for you to write bit number 4 question answers, that is on page number 16, and question answers, that is bit number 5, which are given on page number 17. So write all the question answers very neatly children. Okay, and wherever required support the answers with the diagrams. And we shall move to the next lesson in our next class. Until then, thank you.